Okay, guys, on a cold winter day, let's say it was summer, and then all of a sudden winter came around and your car doesn't want to start. Um, what you want to try here is you want to get in the car. First of all, when you try to crank your car, it will do, it will not start up. But try this, okay? Take your foot on the gas pedal. What you're gonna do is, as you crank, car is in park still. As you crank the car, try that, and it should come to life. Okay, it should come to life. That's on a cold day, because of the reason why what's happening here is, I want to show you guys what you just did was you open the flap up. This is what you pretty much did. You gave it a little bit of gas, okay? So it could be your carbon built up, your idle sensor is dirty, or your throttle body is so flappy, so dirty. When that winter comes around, that carbon and the flap closes up and the engine doesn't breathe, okay? So the only thing you could try here is this is gonna be like a 2-minute video. Just give this a attempt, guys. Older vehicles, especially if you got a Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Subaru, Mitsubishi, it will work on any vehicle. It could be an Audi, it could be a Lexus, it could be a Acura, it could be a Lamborghini. Doesn't matter. This trick will work, okay? Other than that, give yourself a jump start. It could be weak, battery could be weak. Sometimes moving these terminal around, tapping these terminal, the corrosion build up, and sometimes positive and negative, there's a corrosion build up. Just give it a good tap, and maybe that will take care of that. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and give yourself a good jump. Even sometimes the jump won't make a good contact, like the alligator clips you put on. Wiggle them around, okay? Wiggle the clips around. Sometimes that don't make a good contact. So if your car don't start on a cold winter day, this is a good trick for you guys to do. Thank you for watching my video.